All right, well, if I've done all the self-leveling, joints, compound. I've cleaned up the floor. I scraped the joints. I'm fairly happy with this. Now, I've never done this before. It's either going to work or fail. I'm not looking for a polished concrete floor. I'm looking for more of a cream, salt and pepper finish or sort of polish. After that, I'm going to densify it and then densify and seal with a, and then use a burnisher on the top. And this is my small shop, so I'm starting with this one and then sort of perfecting how I want it to turn out, moving into the big shop, and then eventually into the house. So I will bring in the polisher next and show you how what I'm gonna do to do that. All right, so I've got a pad, got a polisher. These are diamond resin pads. I'm starting with 0, going up to, let's see, 1, 2, so three different grits. And we'll see if this works. All right. Not even. That's stupid. Okay, well. I wonder what time it is. I feel like auto scrubber might be worth going to get that. All right, we're gonna try this, the auto scrubber. I mean, it must be working because I would call that a slurry. I don't know, 3 more passes on this grit and then 12 more passes. 6 more on like 100, 6 more on 200, and then I think that's gonna be good for me. up the remaining, say day 2, clean up the remaining dust, and now I'm gonna spray the densifier on. I can already tell, like, when I do this the next time, I'm probably gonna want to grind it down more. Get rid of some of that, what do they call it? The cream top, because I can just, yeah, I can tell. We'll see. I mean, this is the welding shop, so I'm not as, trial and error. So we're trying it. So gonna densify it, let it dry, possibly go over it with the next round of grit one more time, then let it dry, and then I'm going to use a guard, and then not a buffer, but a burnisher. Burnish it, and then it should be shiny. Maybe a couple rounds of that. So I'm gonna start in this back corner, work my way that way, over to here and out the door. All right, so I put the densifier on, let it dry, and then went over it with the auto scrubber, and I'm letting it dry now. And the next step is going to be the guard, and then 30 to 60 minutes for that to dry, probably 60 because it's takes a while to dry in here. We'll do the burnisher, and then apparently, according to the directions, it'll really, you do a very thin coat. You don't want to over saturate it, and then it's after the second coat, it will shine more and more. Alright, next up we got the burnisher, which I've never done before, but couldn't be too difficult, right? Again, I assume start in the corner and go for a ride. Shall we? That's way easier than that polisher. are done with the, I don't know, poor man's polish. I like it. I think it's gonna grow on me. A little shinier than I thought I wanted it to be. And it'll probably come down a little over time. On the bigger shop next door, I think I'm gonna try to rent a machine to get this down, the cream top completely off, so I don't have the round marks from the power trowel, and learn my lesson for when I do my house, but don't get any oil on the floor. And don't leave bags of insulation on the floor, because mice will live in there, and that's what happened there. They had a whole community of mice in there, and that's etched or something from their urine and feces. Other than that, I am satisfied with this job. Very smooth. Squeaky clean. Like and subscribe for more of this kind of content. I'll try to answer any questions I can. I'm not a professional at anything, but I do my research. Have a good day.